Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Have a look on the headlines. Repair shop electrical department makes meaningful contribution for SAIL RSP. Brochure on COVID-19 SOP of Hot Strip Mill 2 released. And safety awareness program on electrical arc welding organized by SAIL Safety Organization Ranchi. Now the news in detail. The highly determined team of Repair Shop Electrical, known for their dexterity and commitment for excellence, has been rendering meaningful contributions for SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Performing at their highest level, the agile and upbeat employees of the department have successfully accomplished many enterprising jobs complex in nature to bring substantial savings for the company. The efforts have also helped the user departments enhance their performance and effectiveness. The RSE collective, showcasing their profound skills, made 2 X-ray machines of Ispat General Hospital ready for use. While one of these machines has been installed at IGH, the other one kept as spare unit. It is worth mentioning here that the rectified transformers of 2 operational and 1 spare X-ray machines at IGH developed technical problems. These X-ray machines were brought to RSE for repairing and making at least 1 unit operational. The department collective took up the challenge and, with required help from electronics and electrical service and power distribution, repaired both the critical medical equipments. The department has been making consistent efforts to explore the optimum potential and help the company overcome the prevailing challenges. In a small function organized at Hot Strip Mill 1, Conference Hall of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 27 June, Mr. P. Murli, CGM in charge HSM, released a brochure on standard operating practices during and after COVID-19 lockdown at Hot Strip Mill 2. Present on the occasion were Mr. D. Datta, CGM HSM 2, Mr. D. K. Yadav, GM Operation, Mr. R. N. Rajendran, GM Mechanical, Mr. P. S. Rajkumar, GM Mechanical, Mr. R. K. Mudali, GM Electrical, Mr. Ajit Das, GM Operation, Mr. M. Tirki, GM Operation, Mr. S. C. Mohanty, GM Safety Engineering Department, and unit personnel representatives, Ms. Simpi Patel, MTA, and Mr. S. C. Paricha, Assistant Manager Personnel. The function was organized adhering to all the norms related to COVID-19, such as social distancing, wearing of mask, hand washing, etc. The SOP is prepared to resume safely normal operation practices and commissioning activity during or after COVID-19. Its scope includes offices, plant and project sites, covering all employees, contractual employees, trainees, visitors, transporters, suppliers, customers and consultants. The brochure has been prepared by a team of enthusiastic employees led by Mr. Utpal Das, DGM Operation HSM 2. The program was coordinated by Mr. Anup Kumar Agarwal, Deputy Manager HSM 2. A webinar on electrical safety in arc welding was organized by SAIL Safety Organization SSO Ranchi on 26 June that was attended by more than 100 senior executives from different plants and units of SAIL. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. K.K. Jha, ED-SSO, said that mindset has to be turned to safety so that every action is being carried out in the right way. The ED-SSO further emphasized on introspection and analysis of all the reportable accidents so as to take preventive actions accordingly. During the program, a brief overview on electrical hazards in arc welding operation were presented by Mr. S. Vashisht, CGM SSO. Mr. R. K. Mudali, GM in charge Electrical HSM of RSP, was a speaker on the occasion. He elaborated about the different aspects of electrical safety in arc welding. He delved in detail on topics like creating awareness about welding safety and electric arc welding, different safety devices for welding and their usage, wrong and correct practices of arc welding, etc. Mr. Suresh Kumar, GM Safety SSO, coordinated the program, while a formal vote of thanks was proposed by Mr. A.K. Sabat, GM Safety SSO. And with this, we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.